If you're passionate about upgrading the lighting on your 2016 to 2023 Tacoma, you've got to check out the all-new X3B from Morimoto. This is a replacement housing that's going to replace your original LED third brake light. Not only is it more stylish, but it'll match other products like the Morimoto XB taillights that you see here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install this, what it looks like compared to stock, so follow me, let's get started. The pronounced 3D red brake light optics are as modern as it gets, yet tasteful, complemented by the clear optics that illuminate the bed, and all wrapped up inside a piano black polycarbonate housing. For the brake lights, you now have 4 jewel-like optics molded from optical grade red polycarbonate, paired with powerful 3-watt LEDs. Now I'll show you guys in just a second how to install this additional rapid flash module that allows this brake light to flash a couple times and then hold solid. So let's get to the install. Make your way into the back seat, get cozy because we have a few clips to remove. We got one here and one here. Grab a pry tool and a pick and start up here. On each side there's a little notch to put a pry tool or pick to pull this plastic panel off. Now, if you are going to use a pick like this, it is metal and this is plastic. Be very careful so you don't scratch it or ruin it. Now you'll notice 2 metal tabs here on each side. We're going to squeeze those and pull it away. Now pull the metal clip out. Do the same thing on the other side. Now there's 2 10mm bolts we do need to remove, and I do apologize on camera. This is not going to be easy to show. We've got this window we're going to open up. We're going to reach up, and right here is the headliner. Just pull it down carefully so you don't ruin the headliner. And you're going to just have to do this by feel. There's 2 10mm bolts. We're going to remove those now. Using a deep socket 10mm, pull the liner back. You're going to feel a little hole and you're going to put the 10mm in there, remove the nut that's on the bolt that's on the back side of the X3B. Now be very careful because there's 2 nuts on the back side like I said. If you do drop it, it'll go into your headliner and it's going to be lost in the abyss forever. So be very careful, grab these 2, throw it in the cup holder back here, then meet me out front. We're going to remove the original third brake light. So with those 2 nuts removed, we're going to pull this third brake light towards you, just very carefully. Now, mine came off really easily, and that's because I've done this before, so I knew what I was getting into when I was making this video. Now, you're going to have some sticky backing all the way around here, and it does say in the Morimoto's install guide to scrape all of that off. So be very careful, be gentle. You don't want to scratch on the outside of the back of this. So just scrape all of this goop off that you're going to see. And if you want to, you can even use something like Goo Gone to really get it cleaned up. Unplug this, and we're going to get the X3B on. Now, if you get the X3B from Headlight Revolution, you could now just plug it in, install it, put the 2 nuts back on, put those 2 tabs back on, and you're good to go. However, there's one thing you definitely need to add to your cart if you're going to be putting this on the back of your Tacoma, and it is this right here. This is an additional harness that's going to allow the brake light to flash multiple times and then hold solid when you hit the brakes. I think that's personally awesome. If you don't want that feature, just use the original connector that's connected to the X3B from the start. The backside of your X3B is going to look something like this, but if you get that rapid flash module, you are going to unplug your original wiring, and then you're going to just use the rapid flash module, plug that in, put the 3M tape right here on the side so it looks something like this, and then connect that original wiring that was on the X3B from before. Now that this is set up and it's going to flash when I hit the brakes, plug it in. It's plug and play from here. Grab this, plug it in. You can already see it light up, and that looks so much better than your original lights. Let's slap it all back together and show you guys a little montage. The X3B is a perfect grand finale for detail-oriented enthusiasts who just want to say no to stock. Their third brake light is produced from the best materials, backed with a 5-year warranty, and designed to comply with all DOT SAE standards for rear-facing lamps. They've been completely designed, engineered, tested, and distributed by Morimoto, here in the USA. That's all it takes to install the X3B on the 16 to 23 Tacoma. Now there's a whole bunch of other products from Morimoto for your Tacoma, so don't stop there. Guys, this was a very affordable option. It's very easy to install, and it's a dramatic change over your original third brake light. Not to mention that rapid flash module makes it look pretty epic. If you want to see what else we've tested for your Tacoma, go to Headlight Revolution, type in your year, make, and model, and we'll show you guys everything there.